Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make quality buns. To start, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of strong bread flour, 7 grams of active dry yeast, and 250 milliliters of warm milk. Don't forget a pinch of salt, around 5 grams, and 2 tablespoons of sugar to enhance the flavor and aid in browning. These foundational elements are crucial for a soft. Once your ingredients are combined, it's time for the crucial kneading process. Knead the dough vigorously for about 10 to 12 minutes, either by hand or with a stand mixer. You are aiming for a smooth, pliable, and elastic texture. A good test is the window pane test. Stretch a small piece of dough until it's thin enough to see light through it without tearing. This indicates excellent gluten development. Once your account is funded, you can explore the extensive trading options available on Binance. The platform offers a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to numerous altcoins. You can engage in spot trading for immediate exchanges or delve into futures trading for more advanced strategies. Additionally, features like staking allow you to earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies. Binance provides tools for both novice and experienced traders to manage their digital assets effectively. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful buns. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a lovely golden brown color. For perfect doneness, the internal temperature should reach 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baked, immediately transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents sogginess and ensures a soft, fluffy texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.